Hello again, this is Captain John with another one of my video tips of the week. In today's video tip, we're going to go over 7 points you can use to train new sailing crew or your sailing partner on the mainsail. You want to be sure and slack the main sheet and boom vang before you hoist the main. Otherwise, you will not be able to hoist the main all the way to the top of the mast. Hoist the mainsail first and lower the mainsail last. That's because you want the boat to weather vane or point the bow up into the wind as long as possible. This will make hoisting and lowering easier for your sailing crew. Battens are used to support the roach in your mainsail. If you draw a straight line from the clew to the head, you'll notice excess sail area between the straight line and the leech. This is called roach, and roach gives you more sail area when reaching or running. Battens are used to support the roach to keep it from flogging and flapping. The mainsail should be bagged so that the clew of the sail stays on top. This will be the first to enter the boom slot, and the outhaul will be the first control line attached to the sail. When you lower the mainsail, be sure that the battens are parallel to the boom. This will prevent cracking of the battens, which could damage the sailcloth. Remove the battens before you bag the sail. Double check bayonet fittings on shackles at the gooseneck and on halyards. You attach the tack of the mainsail to the gooseneck fitting, and you attach the head of the main and the head of the jib to the halyard shackle. A bayonet fitting must be turned into the small indent to anchor it in place. Double check these before you hoist the mainsail. If your boat has a traveler, you want to make sure and center the lower block or fiddle block of the main sheet along the traveler track. You should find stops on each side of the fiddle block to help you do this. Follow these 7 easy sailing tips to help your new crew or partner learn more about your mainsail. This is Captain John, and this has been another one of my video tips of the week. Find more sailing tips and techniques on www.skippertips.com.